Pipelines are a crucial tool in your CRM, making customer organization efficient and follow-ups consistent. However, it needed a small revamp to increase efficiency and maintain a consistent experience across views. Let's check the changes. Create and edit pipelines directly from the pipeline dropdown for faster pipeline management without extra navigation. Select between the default, no color, colored dot, or background tint views to assign color to pipeline stages. Stage colors now reflect across key views, such as Kanban and record details, giving you better visual clarity across stages and deals. Let's learn how to color code stages with this feature. Begin by editing or creating a new pipeline. Select the colored dot or background tint view. Click the colored square next to a stage and assign your desired color. Once you're ready, click Create or Update to save your changes. All users see the same stage color configuration, making it easier to scan pipelines and prioritize important work consistently across views. We hope you enjoy it.